Assalamu alaikum. In the last video lecture, we have completed our topic origami, the paper cranes of peace. And today we are going to write character sketch of its main character, Sadako Sasaki. Open your books OPE at page 30 where this topic is written and you will search the lines in which Sadako's character is described. First of all, I'll tell you the tense in which you are going to write character sketch. As you know that character sketch is always written in present tense, so you will use three present tenses: present indefinite, continuous, and perfect for writing character sketch. Now here is a list of all the main points that will help you to write character sketch of the girl Sadako Sasaki. As you know that first of all introduction of the person whose character sketch you are writing is given, then after that you are going to write her physical appearance, that how she looks, and then you will describe her interest in athletics. After that, you will tell about her behavior, her character, her habits, routines, etc. You will write about her that she was a lively child, and then you will describe the disease. She was suffered from the atomic bomb disease, and then you will write that she is a courageous fighter because she was suffering from blood cancer, but she was so courageous and hopeful girl that she was wishing to recover. And then you will write about her two wishes, and after that you will describe the date or the year in which she died, and after that at the end we will conclude the character sketch of Sadako Sasaki if we want. Now I'm going to discuss all the points that are going to help you to write character sketch of the girl. First of all, introduction would be given. The introduction of Sadako Sasaki is that she is a 12-year-old Japanese girl. She is born in 1943. She is a victim of world's first atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima, the city in which she was living. The next thing to write is physical appearance of the girl. We are told here about her that she is a healthy, athletic, and lively child. So you will write these things in her physical appearance. Then we will describe her interest, that she was interested in athletics and she participates in sports. Next thing is that she is a lively child, as all the children that participate in sports and games, etc., they are always active and healthy and lively. So she is also a lively child. Then we will write about atom bomb disease, that when Sadako was just 2 years old, the bomb was dropped on her city and then she was affected by the contamination of the atom bomb. The next thing that you're going to write is that she is a courageous fighter, as when she was affected by the contamination of the atom bomb, she was suffering from blood cancer, leukemia, which is the direct result of that contamination. So she is a courageous girl. She's extremely courageous girl and hopeful, and she was wishing to recover. She didn't lose hope. Her wishes. Now we are told about the wishes of the girl. Here are two wishes which we are told about the girl. The first wish is that she wished to live a long life. She wished to recover from the disease. So she was folding paper cranes to recover, as it was Japanese people's belief that whoever folds 1,000 paper cranes, he would live a long life. So she was folding the paper cranes, but she didn't succeed. And then her wish suddenly, before that, when she was folding the cranes, one day her wish was suddenly changed. Her new wish was that she wished that this kind of atrocity or cruelty should never happen again. Her wish is for peace. Her death. She was folding paper cranes. She wished to fold 1,000 paper cranes to recover, but she could fold only 644 cranes and then she died. She died on 25 October 1955 at the age of 12. At the end, if we want, we can write the conclusion of this character sketch. If you want to write, you can write that we should eliminate all the types of nuclear weapons from the earth to prevent the world from its harms, so that no one should ever suffer and die like this again. At page number 32, here is a question of fill in the blanks. So you are going to fill all the blanks given at this page. So the word that would be filled in the blanks are taken from your text that you have read. So the first blank is, it was a dash moment in the film when the mother was reunited with her daughter when she had not seen her for 10 years. The word in the blank would be poignant. Poignant means touching or sad. Second blank is, Tariq always has to be different. He never does anything in a dash way. The word is conventional. Conventional means usual or formal. The next blank is, the dash in the harbor following the oil spill from the tanker was very sad to see. The word is contamination. Next is, tragically, war always seems to involve dash. The word is atrocity. Atrocity means cruelty. Next blank is, your hard work this term has been an dash to us all, Amir. Well done. The word is inspiration, means a brilliant idea. The next is, the sculpture was finally dashed after the sculptor had worked on it for 16 long years. The word is unveiled, and the meaning of sculpture is any piece of art. The next blank is, the fire at the factory was so fierce that it was 50 hours before it was finally extinguished. Extinguished means to put out, aag bujhana. And the last blank is, the athlete taking part in the Olympics was devastated to being dashed from the race she thought she had won because she had made a false start. The word in the blank is eliminated. And now our blanks are completed.